Hi everyone, today I would like to make an unboxing video of the laptop that I just bought. The laptop model is Lenovo IdeaPad 3 Slim. My good friend recommended this laptop for gaming, and here is the specification. Here is the laptop. Here are some documents. Alright, there you go. Okay, this one is manual book. This one is a warranty card. This one is the charger. It's kinda hard because I unbox it while I record the video. And here is the laptop, guys. Here is how it looks like. Lenovo IdeaPad 3 Slim with Ryzen 5 as the VGA. So I had the Windows installed upon purchasing the laptop, and when I bring it home I just use it right away. It's quite convenient. Here is the back of the laptop. Here it is, Lenovo IdeaPad 3 Slim. I bought it in Els Jogja, and it cost around 9.3 million rupiah, with the screen protector included as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.